Local support's huge. You know, when you're buying a machine tool, you're buying the service and support behind it as well. Everybody makes a great machine tool, but your service, your dealer, that's what really sells it and takes it home. We had a long-lasting relationship with Productivity Inc. And for many years, they've sold us other machine tools. And a few years, we've been going up to their Oktoberfest in Minnesota, and we were seeing the Matsuura line. And when it became available in our area, 21 days later, we had a PO in their hand.
21 days?
Yeah, they knock it out of the park. They do a great job for us. And it was a no-brainer to get this platform in our shop through them, because we know we'd have the support we need to be successful.
There's not a lot of times where you hear an owner making a buying decision in under 3 weeks when they're investing in capital equipment like this. So, do you regret that decision?
Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit.
So, I was talking about that story. So, you had one job. So what happened when you took it off the other machine and you put it here on the Matsuura?
Yeah, we had a job that we had historical data on, ran it a few times, and schedule-wise, for the part being on the machine, we had it scheduled for about 3 weeks. And that's what it took to run the job in our shop.
Yeah.
We had different strategies coming over to this machine with the pallet pool, being able to run it at night. We got that job done in 3 days.
From 3 weeks to 3 days, we're talking 21 days on the calendar to 3 days.
Right.
That's like 800% improvement.
You're telling me. We had to check in the bank before we would have finished the job previously.
So the ROI on this machine's fantastic.
Yes, fantastic. Our biggest problem with this machine when we finished that job was, oh shoot, what do we put on there next?
Yeah, you got to get used to the new scheduling.
Exactly.
Which is a great position to have. You know, the better you get at scheduling this machine now, the more capacity you're going to have in your shop and the more throughput.
Right.
So you had that great success. Would you, when you're looking at expansion now for your business and growing, now that you can get more efficient on everything, would you look at Matsuura again?
Yes, definitely. This platform is great. A lot of our work gets a little bigger from what this one does.
Yeah.
So we're looking at possibly a MAM 52V, a little bit larger work envelope, more pallets in this machine, some other machines that have similar pallet systems with larger capacity. Possibly some of the turning features that they're coming out with these machines would be also ideal for us. Just looking to do lots of business with Matsuura in the future.
Well, and you get to pair that with the great local support you now have as well. So then it's a win-win combination.
Exactly.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much, Kelly.
Yeah, thank you.